If you're watching this video, chances are you're not happy with the way that your tiled roof looks. Maybe it's covered in moss, mold, or lichen, and you're after a solution that's safe, effective, and won't break the bank. At Superior Exterior, we offer a roof treatment, perfect for giving your roof a new life, without the risks associated with traditional pressure washing. Pressure cleaning can crack tiles, strip protective coatings, and increase the risk of leaks, but our low pressure roof treatment is different. Using a specially formulated solution, we treat your roof to kill moss, mold, and lichen at the source. Over the next 6 to 12 months, this organic growth naturally falls away with the wind and rain, leaving your roof looking refreshed. No heavy equipment on your roof, no risk of broken tiles, just a safe, economical way to enhance your roof's appearance over time. Ready to bring your tiled roof back to life? Contact Superior Exterior today and experience the difference a roof treatment can make.